Hi friends, the objective of this video is to explain you one type of organizational structure, and it is called matrix organization. Prior to this video, we have already uploaded two videos related to types of organization. Out of those two videos, first video was related to line type of organization. Second video was related to functional organization, which is one of the types of organization. And in that particular series, the third type of organization, which is also prevalent world over, and it is called matrix organization. And that is precisely our today's topic. Now, as far as matrix organization is concerned, matrix organization is a modern type of organization. Remember, line organization is the oldest and simplest type of organization. After that, functional types of organizations developed in the world. When era passed by and specialization started taking place, functional organization evolved. And in latest times, matrix type of organization has also become popular. And matrix type of organization is a type of organization which is a combination of two types of organization. It is also called hybrid organization because hybrid means combining two and making something new. It is called hybrid. So in matrix organization, it is a combination of functional organization and project organization. Right? So it is a combination of two types of organization, and those two types are functional organization or functional type and project type organization combined into one, giving shape to a new type of organization called matrix organization. Matrix बोलते हैं ग्रिड को, नेट को. In हिंदी we call it जाली. इसका जो स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा वो नेट जैसा बनता है. वो मैं जब डायग्राम एक्सप्लेन करूंगा तब आपको बताऊंगा. Right? The most important characteristic of matrix organization is that there is dual line of command. Dual means double line of command. Right? Now what is double line of command? So double line of command means in matrix organization, the employees working will receive instructions and orders and commands and guidance and directions from two authorities. One, as we will explain at the time of diagram, one vertically and the other horizontally. Making a grid, making a net, we call it in Hindi jali. ठीक है? Of command. Authority and responsibility. So now about its formation. How is matrix organization formed? So its formation is like this, that the entire organization is placed under one authority. It could be called CEO, either Chief Executive Officer or General Manager. Above General Manager, it is a corporate structure or a company structure. Above him or her, there can be a board of directors. So the entire responsibility is assigned to one authority, and that is called General Manager or Central CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Right? Now under Chief Executive Officer or General Manager, there will be two authorities working. He will delegate powers and authorities to two different lines. Right? One, functional heads will be assigned authority and powers by the general manager or CEO. Functional heads like functional experts, like production expert, R&D, research and development expert, engineering expert, finance expert. Likewise, as per the requirement, we can change and modify. Company will modify and change as per the requirement. But this is just an example. कैसे अलग अलग हम फंक्शनल एक्सपर्ट्स को, स्पेशलिस्ट को अपॉइंट करते हैं और उनको पावर दिए जाते हैं, अथॉरिटी दी जाती है, राइट, काम लेने की दूसरों से. And as far as project heads are concerned, suppose a company is undertaking different projects of short term or medium term nature at different places or even within same premises, then we appoint project managers. General manager will also appoint project managers. Say there are 3 projects working or being executed or implemented in a company. तो project manager 1, project manager 2, project manager 3, like that. If more projects are there, more managers can be appointed. Right? Now what happens? As per this structure, you can see here that the teams working here will receive orders from two, instructions and orders and commands and guidance from two different authorities. Dual line of command जो मैंने बताया था वो double line of command, right? एक production expert will give guidance to this team of project work. Now remember, production manager or production head will give guidance and commands and authority and instructions related to his line of area, that is called production. वो production में expert है. Production related instructions और guidance production के expert से मिलेगा. Project manager 1 project related instructions देगा ये टीम को. Likewise R&D की जो टीम काम करेगी उनको project related guidance project manager 1 से मिलेगा और R&D का related guidance R&D से मिलेगा. Likewise, engineering team, finance team, HR team, if required. So, like that, you can see that ऐसा जो structure बनता है वो एक net जैसा बनता है, vertical and horizontal, and that's why its name is matrix organization. And this type of organization is most suitable, most appropriate when and where a company is executing and undertaking different projects either at different places or in the same premises. तो ये टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर जो है प्रीफर किया जाता है. जैसे एक लार्ज स्केल कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी है, से फॉर एग्जांपल L&T कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी, उनको कहीं एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला है स्टेडियम बनाने का, कोई पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पर प्रोजेक्ट मिला है. कहीं कोई एक्सप्रेस हाईवे का कुछ सर्टेन किलोमीटर्स का एक्सप्रेस हाईवे का रोड बनाने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, दूसरा प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है. कहीं कोई फ्लाईओवर बनाने का और एक तीसरा प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है, राइट? कहीं कोई ब्रिज बनाने का, कहीं कोई और एक प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है कंस्ट्रक्शन करने का. तो ऐसे अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट जब कंपनी अंडरटेक करती है आइदर एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस और विद इन द सेम प्रीमाइसेस और कॉम्प्लेक्स, तो ये टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर प्रीफर किया जाता है, राइट? टू कंक्लूड द वीडियो, अगर डिसएडवांटेज की बात करें तो मेन डिसएडवांटेज ये टाइप के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ये है कि इसमें यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड नहीं है, डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ कमांड है. एक ही टीम को दो जगह से ऑर्डर मिलते हैं और दो अथॉरिटी को रिस्पॉन्सिबल भी वो लोग हैं. दे आर अकाउंटेबल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू टू अथॉरिटीज. दे रिसीव ऑर्डर्स एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस आल्सो फ्रॉम टू अथॉरिटीज, राइट? ये इसकी लिमिटेशन है. कई बार एम्प्लॉइज कंफ्यूज हो सकते हैं अगर ऑर्डर में इंस्ट्रक्शंस में कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन आता है, तो देयर कैन बी कंफ्यूजन. Unity of command is lacking, is not found. That is the main or major limitation of this particular type of organization. Okay, so here we conclude the video. Thank you. Till next time.